Digwit YouTube, Kunstatu. You join me in my YCL classroom. It's finally over. It's our YCL Celebration and our finale. So we've just had a spectacular game of rounders outside, and now the bounce castles have gone up. I'll show you them in a minute. Present all our certs and have a good time. So I know I'm really sad that it's over. It's just not. I'm not going to have anything to do with my Wednesdays except work. But I'm sure I'll find something. Here's the team outside. I am the king of bungee runs, by the way, so I'm sure I'll get a video of that later on. Sadly, a lot of people are missing or haven't arrived yet, so I hope they do, because it won't be the same. It'd be nice to have everybody. Plan to have a barbecue later, and then I'm going to go into town for some after Pride drinks. Pride is on today, and I would be at the march, but I'm here. And I think I'll have a little bit more fun here anyway. But Pride is supposed to be good this year, but I don't know. I haven't heard many kind of statements or stories about it, so we'll see what happens. Right, I will keep you posted.